My YouTube channel, guys. This is Prasad and welcome to Pune Travel Diary. Today is the day. I don't know where I'm going because there is no destination. I'm just gonna go out, start the bike, and let's see where I reach. So अभी फिलहाल तो ऐसे कुछ प्लान नहीं कि इसी डेस्टिनेशन पे जाना है, but yes, just going for a ride. Let's see. There's no specific destination. I might go somewhere near to Lonavala as well. So, see you on the roads. Okay, so I'm fully geared up and ready to leave. So, let's start the journey. Okay, I think it's set up properly. So I'm ready to go. Okay, so all set and just leaving. I'll just refuel first of all. स्पीड टैंक फुल कर. स्पीड नहीं है,
स्पीड डालना है क्या?
हाँ. क्या हो गया? Let's start the ride now. Okay, so yeah, hi friends. So I have reached here. There are steps from here that I will need to take. So let me see. So these are the steps that I will have to take. Let's see how far it is. Okay, so sun is on my back. So this is the steps that I'll be taking, and let's see how far it is. ओके, मैं यहाँ पे थोड़ी देर के लिए रुका था. सो क्लिक सम पिक्चर्स. और जब तक मैं ऊपर ना पहुंचूं, which I would do in 10 seconds, तब तक आप ये टाइम लैप्स एंजॉय करो. Okay, so finally I've reached the destination. This destination is called Bedse Caves, and this looks something like this. Very beautiful. See this. This is very, I guess this is, they have blocked it. I'm not sure why. But this looks really beautiful. And see the view from here. So few mistakes that you definitely should not do while coming here. Please carry a bottle of water, because there are around, I'm not actually calculated, but there are around 200 to 250 steps. So okay. So I'll sit here for a while until the time you can just watch the cinematic view of this place. Okay, so now let's say goodbye to this beautiful place. I mean, we have to leave from here. I have to go back. Uh, so this is known as Bedse Caves. This is just before Pavna Lake. So it's on the way to Pavna Lake only. So just I mean, सुबह सुबह उठा, गूगल किया, कहीं तो निकलना था. So nearest places search किए. So this was one of the place which was showing up. So then I decided, let's ride. So if you've enjoyed this video, please do like the video. If you're still not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. Share this video with your friends. They will know this place. They can visit this place. Again, as I said in the last video about the necklace point, this is also a good to visit place during the monsoon. This is not the correct time to visit this place. So yeah, if you're looking to visit somewhere near in the monsoon near Pune, you can come down here. So yeah, see you on the bike again. Okay. Okay, so the journey has come to an end. मैं नियरली घर पहुंच चुका हूं और जाने से पहले एक ही चीज़ कहूँगा कि अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक कर देना. डू शेयर इट विथ योर फ्रेंड्स, फैमिली, शेयर इट विथ योर कलीग्स. डू कमेंट ऑन द वीडियो कि आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगा. और अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को, मेरे चैनल को, पुणे ट्रैवल डायरी को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सब्सक्राइब भी कर देना. क्योंकि मैं हर हफ्ते ऐसा एक वीडियो आपके लिए लाता रहूँगा. So till next week, take care, ride safe, wear helmet and follow traffic rules. Bye.